When multiple warning messages appear on your vehicle's dashboard, it typically indicates that the car's computer is experiencing inconsistent or unreliable electrical signals from various sensors and subsystems. This is often due to failing alternator, weak battery, or poor connections. Steps to diagnose and fix the issues. 1. Check battery health. Check for corrosion on the battery terminals. Clean if necessary. Inspect the battery for any signs of damage, like cracks or bulges. A healthy battery should read around 12.6 volts when the car is off and 13.8–14.4 volts when the engine is running. Conduct a load test to see if the battery can hold a charge under load. Ensure the battery terminals are clean and tight. If the battery is weak or damaged, replace it with a new one. 2. Test the alternator. Check the serpentine belt for wear and proper tension. Look for visible damage to the alternator. Use a multimeter to measure the output voltage. It should be between 13.8 and 14.4 volts. Listen for grinding or whining noises from the alternator. If the alternator is not providing proper voltage, replace it. 3. Inspect electrical connections. Look for loose or corroded connections, particularly around the battery and alternator. Clean them as necessary. Tighten any loose connections to ensure reliable electrical contact. Ensure all ground connections are clean, secure, and free of corrosion. 4. Inspect wiring and components. Inspect the wiring for any signs of wear, fraying, or damage. Check for continuity in suspect wiring to identify any breaks or faults. Repair or replace any damaged wiring to ensure a reliable connection. 5. Test electrical components. Look for any blown fuses and replace them with ones of the same rating. Ensure relays are functional and properly seated. 6. Seek professional help if needed. If you're unable to diagnose or fix the issues yourself, take your vehicle to a certified mechanic for a comprehensive inspection. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond. Thanks for watching, and subscribe.